see you all tomorrow. Probably I'll go out somewhere. It's my first time in Doha. It's very hot here, like 36 degrees right now, night time, but anyway. So I had planned to go for breakfast, but मैं नहीं गई क्योंकि मुझे और सोना था. वहाँ पे 10:30 हो रहे हैं, which is exactly when breakfast finish. Villagio Mall, it is like, it's very nice. It has that Italy वाला Venice city का कुछ तो है उस वहाँ पे. So we are going there. I'm gonna get freshen up. I'm gonna get dressed up, and then we'll be leaving from here. Stay tuned. We are going back क्योंकि Uber जो है, either I have to add my debit card detail on Uber app or humidity नहीं. I don't know, वो भी पता चल जाएगा. अभी निकले हैं बाहर. Humidity भी, it's very hot यार. ऊपर से मैंने काले कपड़े पहन लिए. Got it. Thank you. I have came for this. I wanted to try this so badly. So the best part about this thing कि जैसे जैसे मैं चल रही हूँ, it feels like कि ये move कर रहा है. I mean, it's giving real sky vibe. So pretty. ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये move हो रहा है. इसको दौड़ा दिया मैंने क्योंकि मैंने हील्स पहना है एंड आई थिंक इट्स फ्राइडे. तो फ्राइडे है तो शॉप बहुत जल्दी बंद हो जाता है. इवन ऑल दिस सर्विसेज विल गेट क्लोज वेरी सून. भाग रहे हैं पकड़ने के लिए बोट राइडर को. Okay. We are on waiting list. Nice. Did you like it? Yes, I love it. Do you guys remember her? Singapore Universal Studio. This lady took us there. I'm still thankful to you. My pleasure. Yep. Both not spicy. One water and one Pepsi of cold water. Okay, so I'm gonna meet one of my friends. She's in Qatar Airways. She used to be same batch in Go Air. She was my batchmate. I am going to meet her. I'm very excited to meet her because it's been so long and we used to talk that, you know, when you're coming to Doha and this and that, and finally I'm here. I don't want to lose this opportunity. Oi. Say hi to my viewers. Yeah, don't do that. Please. Oh my god. Try again.
Try again what?
Say hi again.
Hi.